RIP my poor old Kerrick vacuum cleaner. As a scrapyard freebie, you've done very well, but now you've gone short. So let's finish her off. Hit it! She dead.
She dead.
Cold, unplug.
20 amps.
Dang. Oh, it even ate the brush springs. Oh God, yeah. Doggo, do not go near that smell.
Where'd the left-hand brush go?
The spring, it's eaten the spring and everything. You know, the armature might have been okay. I think the brush was just worn down, but either way, that thing was toast.
Wow. It ate the whole brush.
I wonder if it was just arcing because the brush was gone.
It ate the whole brush.
Yeah. Actually, no. Yeah, look at the... Yeah, look at the carbon. Yeah, no, it wasn't that wasn't the brush. That's a shorted commutator. It's dead.
You can see the burn on the commutator now on this side.
Out in the street.
Yeah, that thing's dead.
Too much dust.
Nah, just a shorted winding on the commutator. She's dead.